Hello everyone. I just wanted to make a video to help you make sure that you know how to complete the Getting Started module. Okay? So you enter username and password, click enter. This is our site. Okay? You click modules, learning path, see, turn, learning path. Getting started module. Unit 1, Unit 2, Unit 3. Okay, so start. $11 exercises, 11 pages. Okay, so read, 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 exercise. Okay, read, create profile. This tells you how to do this. Okay, personal information, photo. Okay, read, how to participate in forums. Our forum doesn't work now, but this is how you do it. Using the forum, how to reply. Okay, you reply, clicking here. Use the forum. You can always give a thumbs up if you like it. Read, finish, completed, 11 of 11. Close. This page closes. Go to next unit. Okay? Same process for each unit. Okay? If you have any problems, please respond to my email. Have a good weekend. Remember, we need to finish these 3 units by 15 September. Okay? These 3 units by 15 September.